Hey guys, this is Javier with the Geopolitical Investing Cafe. And I would never say I told you so. I would never say I told you so. And this trend certainly could reverse, but our intuitive machines investment is looking pretty good. And it's not because I'm up extremely. The investment's up in a day, or the stock is up in a day 30.04%. It went to 922, guys. And this is ostensibly because they had their earnings call today, guys. Intuitive stock is rising. Intuitive machine stock skyrockets as space exploration company surges on profit outlook. They had their earnings call Monday morning at 8:30 a.m. Company looks beyond the moon. Company ends fourth quarter with its highest ever backing and eyes opportunity beyond lunar landings. And many people commented, ladies and gentlemen, last week when I bought the stock and said that I would encourage buying the stock due to my analysis. And someone made fun of it and they said, well, this stock already lost 25% of the position. Indeed, I bought it at about 820. And of course, it immediately went down to, I think, a low of around $6 over those few days. But I didn't know, of course, nobody knows anything. Remember, this is not investment advice, never take my advice. But I knew as strongly as anyone could know anything in my gut that this was going to go back up. And again, it still has ways to go. Intuitive Machines LUNR stock soared 30% Monday after company reported fourth quarter revenue that climbed 79% year over year and touted opportunities in areas such as national security, guys. The company shares had their biggest daily percentage increase since September 19th, 2024, when they rose 24.2%. And someone did comment when I bought this stock in the video, and I'll leave the link to the video in the description so it can be time-stamped and you can see what we said here. They said something like, show me when Intuitive Machines reports sales. And it's not a normal company. See, and that's the problem with simply following one approach. Like some people follow a PE ratio approach. Some people follow a value investing approach, but you cannot implement one approach across any company. This is a unique company, but it's going to be seen more and more. This is a company which has designs on space exploration. And there are a lot of unknowns, but what is known is that humanity must get to space. And we're using all of our resources to do it. It's very speculative. And so a company that does that, like LUNR, will be very speculative. Of course, it will not have a 10-year track record because we don't have a 10-year track record going to the moon, guys. But I like what I see, guys. And I think it's just my humble prediction that this stock is going to skyrocket again to over $20. I'm definitely going to hold it. I made the mistake of selling it last time when it went down, guys. And I just want to tell you about my normal analysis because I didn't use any technical analysis in this. I didn't even look at volume. I probably went into it ignorantly. I didn't look at Japanese candlesticks, although I like studying Japanese candlesticks. I didn't use fancy technical indicators. All I did was this, guys. I said, look, let's see this. This stock has been above $23, $21 there, and it's been below $7. So when it gets to about $7, I'm going to buy it. And when it gets to about $20, I'm going to buy it. I'm not going to ride it down to $2 or $1. Maybe I will, but I don't think I will. But this is just simple analysis, guys. All you have to do is look at a Google chart. And I analyzed this because I said, look, it went to 20, it might go to 20 again, and even if it doesn't, I'm going to make a lot of money. And even if it goes down, I'm not going to lose that much money But guys, I wanted to get in on this opportunity, and you can be assured that I'm going to be buying a little bits more on the way up. I like to dollar cost average into these things, so I'm buying less as the price gets higher, and I'm buying more as the price gets lower. But LUNR, guys, keep your eye on LUNR. And again, no investment advice on this channel, but I believe LUNR has the best chance to be one of the best performing stocks of this year, at least that I can find. Look at Oklo, guys, another stock that we've been talking about on this channel for a long time. It's up 13.81% today, guys, and it's up 14% over the past 5 days. Over the month, it's a little bit down, but still up 275% since we've been talking about it on our channel. Again, pick a few stocks, watch them, buy them when they get low, sell them when they get higher. So the lesson I'm learning, though it's so simple, it seems to be a very difficult lesson for many people to learn. Again, we are having in the upcoming podcast a discussion on my geopolitical theories, my geopolitical thesis, and what I'm going to do for that great bet. This is just basically where to keep our money while we're waiting on that big geopolitical bet that's going to give us multiples on our money. Speaking of that, I wish I bought options on LUNR, guys. I did not buy options. I'm considering buying options on LUNR. If I do that, I will tell you about that strategy and how I'm going to do it. And just take this for entertainment purposes only. Anyway, guys, just wanted to chime in on the latest rise in Intuitive Machines LUNR. In one day, guys, a 30.04% return. Thanks for watching, guys. If you find value in the videos, please do subscribe to our channel below, hit the bell button, like the channel, share the videos, and most of all, comment. I would love to have a discussion with you. Until very soon, this is Javier with the Geopolitical Investing Cafe, bidding you a great night.